Hey, Adam from Colab here. Today I'm going to give you a quick start guide to our on-demand program, which essentially is a self-guided course for aspiring or early career product managers that want to build up the fundamentals. What I'm going to bring you through quickly is the most important stuff that you get access to, how do you make the most out of it, and any other kind of tips or tricks as well to make sure that you have an awesome time in our platform. So when you first sign up, you're going to get access to our learning platform. Now, there's a lot here. You see, we've got lots of upcoming events, tons of other information to help you as a product manager, but I'm going to focus on specifically the on-demand membership. So when you join, you're going to get access to the on-demand course, which is all the async content, live sessions, and on-demand recordings. Now, in the on-demand course, this is probably the most important area. So there's 23 lessons here at the moment. We're going to continue to add them and build them out. When you sign up, what you'll see is there's a number of specific modules. So like understanding your role in product management, crafting your product management brand and career story, uncovering user insights, and a bunch of other ones on the way. So under each of these modules, there's a number of lessons. So as an example, in getting started, we're going to welcome you to the program. We're going to tell you how to get the most from your membership. And then there's a product management skills assessment. This is a really important aspect of it. We ask you 26 questions across the entire product development lifecycle to get an understanding of what are the areas that you need to improve on, what are your strengths, what are the opportunities, and that actually helps us craft the program for you and others, and we'll share the results back with you as well. So I want to give you an example of one specific module, understanding your role in product management and what you get from it. So you'll see there are a series of lessons, and this is the same in each of the modules. So we break down my role as a product manager, the role of a B2C PM, B2B PM, how can you leverage AI in your day-to-day to kind of better amplify your role, and then we run through testing your knowledge, and we have a bit of an activity. So as an example, what it looks like, and I'll give you a preview here, is all the lessons are a combination of video. So we've got experts from the Colab team. This is John, who's talking through what is the role of a PM? What's the reality versus kind of some of the textbooks. From there, we'll then jump into other specific lessons. Now, this might be a mixture of video or more content, but in this one, where we talk about the role of a B2C product manager, we talk about how does it differ when you're thinking about product vision and strategy? What are some of the different areas that you might be looking at in terms of market research and customer insight? And some of the other things that you might want to consider for B2C versus B2B, like product localization, language and culture, which might be more important versus B2B. So you'll see that throughout all the different elements, we kind of build out on those modules and lessons to make sure that you get the most from it. So going back to the main platform, so we've covered the course home, we then have live sessions. So every month we have a welcome session so that you can get to know new and existing members. That's just a great way to build your network up, share challenges and connect. And then every month we have a monthly workshop where we focus on a specific topic. Like recently we focused on road mapping. So how do you approach road mapping? What are the considerations? This is a blend of theory, practical exercises, and examples from the instructors. So it's a bit more theory and hands-on based. The second session that we have every month is an on-demand office hours. This is your opportunity to come and ask questions about anything product management related or the content that you might be covering in the async program. Finally, on-demand recordings. So if you've missed any sessions, you'll find a library of your recordings here. All right, hopefully this has given you an opportunity to understand what our on-demand program is all about. Any questions, hit us up on Slack or shoot us an email. Thanks.